We all know that blockchain is the revolutionary technology of this decade. Blockchain technology has succeeded in disrupting the global financial system by offering a decentralized, secure, and transparent transaction system. But even though blockchain technology is innovative and revolutionary, not many people can get access to this technology, especially children in developing countries who have limited facilities. Whereas if they can get access to blockchain technology, there will be many opportunities that they can achieve. Therefore, Night Owl wants to be the first blockchain platform that will bridge the gap between innovative technology and its practical application for children in developing countries. Here are various features and solutions provided by Night Owl are expected to have a significant impact on the lives of millions of people in developing countries. Night Owl is built on blockchain technology, which by adopting this technology can increase the efficiency and security of the platform. Here, blockchain technology can also guarantee that the process is traceable, immutable, and reliable. So users don't have to worry about the architecture of the Night Owl platform. Night Owl is a blockchain platform whose mission is to introduce blockchain technology to children in developing countries. And this platform will strive to improve the lives and education of these children so that their talent can be trained and become resources that will bring benefit to their area. Now let's talk about some of their feature. The first one is Nowl Background. NFT blockchain education games designed for children in developing countries. It is hoped that this education game can improve their education and train their talents. Nowl Marketplace platform designed for exchange to trade token and NFT occasion. Later, children in developing countries can use the platform to launch their NFT token and conduct auctions. Nowl Foundation Foundation launched to be able to buy NFT token in the marketplace. Later, this foundation will hold a 10% Nowl token and lock forever. The next one is Nowl Investment. This platform is designed to make it easier for users to fundraising programs for charity programs. And the last one is Nowl Wallet, a digital wallet launched to easily and securely store Nowl tokens. Finally, I want to say that Night Owl has a mission to improve education and at the same time train young talents so that they can bring change to their area through blockchain technology. It is hoped that the solutions offered by Night Owl will have an impact on the lives of millions of people in developing countries. So why are you still waiting for? Get started and grab this golden opportunity. Thank you.